Hi, this is John Leftick, an instructor at Geek Wraps University.
And this is Jose Valeyuli, also an instructor at Geek Wraps University. John and I are wrapping the Explorer today in 3M's latest 2080 color change vinyls, combining both matte and gloss, and creating hood graphics using Knifeless tape and Geek Wraps Hydro Edge Squeegees with Hydro Juice.
Custom graphics with Knifeless tape require patience and detailed concentration. In these videos, while I'm laying the Knifeless, the footage has been sped up just to shorten the video. The process is slow and methodical, with great attention to detail, body lines of the car, and duplication of the graphics side to side. At the end of this video, Jose will have some more information on our tools and training program, so stay tuned.
The Hydro Edge technology is available on several different squeegee lines manufactured by Geek Wraps. The Hydro Squeegee line is the most groundbreaking line of vinyl installation squeegees using a wet edge application. Originally, Geek Wraps developed the use of wet surface apply in order to increase the air egress capabilities of the vinyl by allowing the squeegee to glide freely over the surface while avoiding wrinkling and allowing the air in the underneath channels to easily escape. A positive that came out of the wet surface apply was the elimination of scratches on the surface of the vinyl. This is important when installing color change vinyls and chromes and is advised when installing the matte 2080 as it does not have the scratch protection cover on the surface of the vinyl. Notice how John is using the saturated wet edge of the Hydro Squeegee to wet his finger for a rapid laydown of a side hood channel. Using Hydro Juice on your finger increases glide, which allows complete and effortless air egress and also increases sensitivity of touch so that any potential wrinkling or trapped air is felt immediately and avoided. Any visible moisture from the Hydro Juice that may remain on the surface of the wrap after install can be removed using a soft, lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol. At Geek Wraps University, the Knifeless procedures, detailing techniques, and proper use of various wrap tools that you are watching in this video are all included in our 3M Advanced Training curriculum at no additional cost. So jumpstart your career or take your expertise to the next level at Geek Wraps University, where we welcome all skill levels in our classes. Visit our website, geekwrapsu.com, for dates and information. Then give us a call with any questions or to schedule your class. And be sure to check out our Google reviews to see why our students rate Geek Wraps the #1 3M Authorized Training and Testing facility.
My name is Wara, and I'm here to provide you with information about booking your training at Geek Wraps University. As a 3M Authorized Training facility, we offer 3M Advanced Installation Training, which is a 3-day course and a 5-day Air Wrangler Advanced Installation Training class. The 3-day class covers the 3M curriculum, where installers train on 11 different stations as required by 3M. These stations include a variety of indoor and outdoor substrates in addition to vehicles. In the 5-day class, installers receive an additional 2 full training days, approximately 20 hours of hands-on experience with emphasis on installation of large graphic layout wraps and graphic lineup using Geek Wraps Air Wrangler Ultra Complex Wrap techniques. We highly recommend beginners to take the extra 2 days of training for a better retention and a higher skill level upon completion. Most installers are ready to install full vehicle wraps after completing the 5-day class. We also offer the 3M Preferred Installer Test at our facility, which applies to the individual installer. The 3M Preferred Graphics Installer Test is a 2-day test, Thursday and Friday, and is intended for experienced professional installers with on-the-job experience in multiple full graphic wrap installations, and preferably having attended 3M Advanced Installation Training. The 3M Preferred Installer Test is performance-based, and it consists of hands-on and written portions. It's designed to evaluate the installer's skills and knowledge in a variety of installation situations. Booking for training or testing is done over the phone Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Pick your dates from our available training dates listed on geekwrapsu.com under training and give us a call to get started. I look forward to hearing from you.
After the base piece is positioned, squeegeed, and the knifeless edges cut, the first graphic design is being created with design line knifeless tape. Gloss Black 2080 is positioned over the base graphic and installed design line knifeless tape to cut the design. While the Gloss 2080 does have the removable protective cover to prevent surface scratching, the Hydro Squeegee with the Hydro Juice will glide smoothly over the protective cover, allowing the air to egress evenly and completely. Hood Style number 2 is a different expanded design using the same vinyls and knifeless tape to create an altogether different look. Slowly applying the Hydro Juice to the edge of the Hydro Squeegee will allow the channels to fill, which in turn will continually hydrate the edge during installation, allowing the edge to stay wet much longer than previously possible. This process slowly resaturates the microfiber fabric during installation until the Hydro Juice is depleted, staying moistened with up to twice the volume of Hydro Juice than the conventional soft edge. This enables the installer to work much more efficiently, greatly reducing the need for reapplication of liquid. The Hydro Edge Squeegee's revolutionary new patent-pending technology is a mix of both hard and soft components blended together to form an ectoskeleton. Its unique fluid trap and channel system allows for Hydro Juice to be held in the liquid distribution channels of the squeegee body beneath the sewn microfiber edges. Hydro Juice, when used in place of Geek Wraps Wrap Juice and in conjunction with the Hydro Edge Squeegee, will evaporate at a slower rate, allowing the squeegee to stay wetter longer. Made specifically to be used with the Hydro Edge line of squeegees, taking advantage of their built-in inner channels, Hydro Juice, like the original Wrap Juice, helps to eliminate abrasiveness and allows your squeegee to glide easily and effortlessly over warmed wrap vinyl while pressing and setting the vinyl to the surface of the vehicle. After extending the hood graphics, John will continue the design onto the front bumper using the same techniques as the hood. The Hydro Edge can be used dry with no difference from the original soft edge squeegee, but when a wet application is necessary, it becomes the best option.
Hi, it's Jose again, and I want to let you know that the Knifeless procedures, detailing techniques, and proper use of various wrap tools that you're watching in this video are all included in our 3M Advanced training curriculum at no additional cost. To shop our entire line of specialty wrap tools, visit our online factory store at wraptools.com, and keep in mind that we currently offer an ongoing 25% discount on the tools we manufacture exclusively for our Geek Wraps alumni.